What is up, you guys? My name is Karen Michelle. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am really caffeinated, so I figured why not do a hair tutorial. I posted a video, no, not a video. I posted a photo last week on my Instagram. Hair was really moisturized. Basically, I got a lot of likes from that, so I figured that I would try and get that again. I'm gonna be completely honest, I don't remember exactly what I used in my hair, but I'll try to do the same thing that I did last time. It's been crazy. Winter has not been loving my hair, and my hair has been moisturized for one day, and then the next day it's dry. So if anybody has any tips on how I can keep the moisture in my hair for more than one day, please let your girl know down in the comments, because this has been crazy. Like, this is how it looks by like day 2. In summer, I can go like 4 or 5 days without doing my hair, so this is like too much work, and I'm lazy. Sometimes I don't feel like doing my hair. Now it's like winter and I gotta do my hair every day. The struggle, for real. So I am gonna get this started. I'm gonna try to do it like I did last time. I don't know if I'm gonna get the same results, because it's different every time I do my hair. I don't have a set way that I do it. I just mix a bunch of stuff together and hope it works out. You know, I'm not an expert, but hey, y'all wanna see it? Then stick around. Hopefully the results come out good, because if they don't, I just wasted a whole day. So yeah, we're gonna get started. My hair with the Bella Curls Coconut Cream Co-Wash. So that just kind of pretty much gives me some time to not go through the whole wash your hair and then condition it. So I just use that because I really want the moisture, so that's why I'm using conditioner, because that gives you a lot. And the most important thing you want to remember is you need to make sure your hair is like super wet. Like, you see that? I'm sure you guys all know about it, but if you don't sleep on this, because this is amazing. To leave-in conditioner repair cream, okay? This is really gonna put a whole lot of moisture in your hair. Oh yeah, I'm putting like a ton of it in there. So I just pretty much like put this all through my hair. Like, I know I'm supposed to have this certain way that you're supposed to apply your product. If you're a curly girl, you're gonna do it the way that your hair likes it to be done. Not everybody's gonna have the same technique. So I would say play around with your hair and see what works. You don't have to follow everybody else's. Just do what works for you. And I'm literally just showing you what I do, so maybe that helps you see the basics of like what you're supposed to do. So I know when I started, I had no idea what I was doing. Make sure that you go through and you're like conditioner on every part of your hair. So like, next step is spray it down, and that way, you know, the conditioner will mix with the wetness of your hair, and it just really saturates everything. Next thing I do is I take a brush, go to the dollar store and get one. You don't need to go get a freaking designer brush or whatever they tell you to use. Just go to the dollar store and get this. You'll be fine. Trust me. Okay. I'm gonna take and just start brushing my hair. By brushing it out, you need to make sure that your hair is detangled so that your curls define more. And then just scrunch your hair up, you know? Just like scrunch it. That's what you want it to look like. That is like a look of beauty right there. See that? I think today I'm gonna mix these two together. So I'm gonna mix the Cantu Mielle Organics Avocado Moisturizing Hair Milk. And thank you to Bae, who got this for me for Christmas. I'm excited. I'm looking for more moisture, right? Why not mix two of these together? Doesn't matter, do what you want to do. I'm just gonna take this and put it all in my hair just like I did the conditioner. Because you just, like I said, you want to make sure that this product is getting all on every inch, because that's how it's gonna work. Your curls are just going to be super defined and love you, and you're gonna love them because you're gonna pop in every single selfie that you take. Set way that you can do your hair, no wrong way. I don't like all these rules. Just do what works for your hair. Learn your hair, learn about it, learn what your hair likes, and do that. Don't listen to somebody else. Do what works for you. Do you, boo. Do you. Now like twist some curls, okay? So just, you want to twist some. This Jelly Soft Curl. This is awesome product. It's a little on the expensive side. I just go through and scrunch it up, you know, and that will just hold it in place until you pretty much are ready to dry your hair. I want your hair to kind of look like this. So to my edges, okay? This is only $2 at Walmart. It's Echo coconut oil styling gel. So just go to Walmart and pick this up. You don't need to go get an expensive gel just to gel down your edges. Don't be extra. If you can't afford it, go get something you can afford, okay? They all do the same thing. You don't need to be bougie and extra. Just going to spray a little bit on the edge, you know, like that. That's good. Don't need a whole lot. Just need a little bit to kind of smooth it down. This is my little trick, okay? To speed up the drying process, I'm gonna take my blow dryer and just start blow drying it. And that's it. Pretty much let my hair dry for about an hour. This is what it turned out with. I literally just blow dried it and diffused it a little bit. I like this. I used some hair oil, and this one doesn't have any sulfates or parabens. I got it from Target for like $4 or $5. I just sprayed it right here just to give it a little more shine. And that's it. You know, that is all I did. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial on how I got my hair like this. If you want to see more videos like this, please give this video a thumbs up, please. If you want to see more of my videos, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate that. You guys are awesome. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Karen Michelle, and if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and